It has been really, really great. I think because we have time before school starts, so we can have like get used
to settle down.
Yeah, get used to the weather, get used to the people in here, but mostly it has been really, really great.
Yeah, and the school has really welcomed us in that aspect. They have helped us just talk to new people, get used to our classes. The teachers, the housing staff, everyone's been wonderful, honestly.
Well, in Mexico we do high school, and we do 7 subjects, or mostly 9 or 10 subjects.
Yeah, it's a vague list of subjects. Most of them that we don't really need for the careers we want to take onto university. And so yeah, coming here we find that it's better to get 4 subjects or 3 subjects in some cases that you really, really enjoy doing and you will really need for your proper university career. It's doing something that you like doing and that you know will work for you in the future.
In high school, we don't start thinking about university until the last year, but here you have to start thinking about university and the things that you want to do. The first year you came here, the first semester, and I think that's really good. So you can get used to themes, you can interest in, and I don't know, you get more prepared to university.
Back in Mexico, what used to happen is that our classrooms were really big. They had a lot of people in it.
Like 30 students or 40 sometimes.
Around 25 people in one classroom. Here at Abbey College, what we get is a classroom with around 8 to 10 students, which means the teacher has more time to explain individually to each student that doesn't understand the subject. And I just find that really good because it means that you get the specific support you need to understand a subject.
And they also give you like extra work that you can do or not do. So you can get more interest in the subject and you can give more depth than the one that you need. So you can get like more interested.
Mm-hmm. And the teachers really get to know you and understand your patterns of studying and what you don't understand, what is more difficult for you. And according to what they observe on you, they can help you improve.
And they can help you like choose a path in university if you don't know it yet. Like they can tell you your strengths, your weaknesses, and how you can get used to and see if you have to change a subject or you can drop something or you're okay with it. Well, you already dropped a subject.
Yeah, I dropped psychology because I wanted to orient myself more in the medicine aspect. And currently, biology, math, and chemistry are the only trainings I really need in order to carry out what my dream is to study medicine. So it was a decision I had to take, which I got help from my tutor in order to decide this, and also my psychology teacher.
Yeah, I want to do medicine too, but I really, really like psychology. It's like one of the best classes that I have, so I really don't want to drop it. So I think I'm gonna still with my 4 subjects until the pre-degree. We have medic club and volunteering club. They are the ones that if you want to be a doctor, the school tells you to go. And also we have evening sessions.
Yeah, that as well.
Yeah, we have one of the placebos, if they're ethical. We have one of bones. We dissect things. We have really a lot of things that makes us in the path of medicine. I'm targeting Cambridge, obviously, but I don't know, or somewhere in Canada or maybe in Mexico.
Yeah, the goal is to stay here in Cambridge. The school gives us a lot of freedom to move around in our afternoons and in our weekends, so we often find ourselves just walking around Cambridge, discovering new things. It is a really nice place just to be young, a student. You can walk around, you can go to shops, you can go with your friends anywhere pretty much. Take a bus if you want to, which I know in Mexico isn't a thing you usually do.
And it's beautiful, like absolutely beautiful, like the place, the persons. There's lots of museums. There's a really, really big library, and there are shops and there are parks. There are 2 parks that are really, really big, and they're really, really amazing.
And there's just an event for every month. You find yourself looking at events and looking at things you can do with your friends over in the weekends to just clear your mind.
Yeah, lots of events, and also because it's like a university city, you get lots of evenings, lots of things that universities do, like conference and stuff.
It is certainly academically challenging, but in a good way, in a good sense of way. It is improving your own knowledge. When you come here, you find yourself in some way comparing yourself to other students that come from different cultural backgrounds and from different academic backgrounds. So it's a good place to just see where you're at a global level, I guess you could say, and improve yourself in such a way that you can
get better.
Get better. Just feel yourself growing